Hello, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, should we start our class? Okay. So, before starting our class, today I'm going to share with you an incident that happened with my friend Manish. So, Manish, my friend, got a job in a bank. Okay. That bank, that bank office was very far away, like 25 kilometers away from his home. So, what he did, use public transport like buses and taxi to travel from his home to his office. But after a few days, he realized that because of this transportation, he used to get exhausted very much that he wasn't able to focus more on his work in the office. Okay, so the time passed. He tried to cope up with the situation, but it didn't happen. Okay. So, with the help of Cast 24, he purchased his second-hand car. Okay. Now, again, still the problem wasn't solved. Now, why? Do you think why the problem is not yet solved? So, this problem still persisted because Manish didn't know how to drive a car. Okay. So even if he purchased his second-hand car, but the car was useless for him because he didn't know how to drive. So tell me what he should do now. Yes, of course, he should hire a driver, right? That's exactly what Manish did. Manish hired Satyam, his own driver, to pick him up from his home and drop him to his office and do the same in the evening, pick him up from the office and drop him to the home at the evening when the work is done. So it happened like for 1 month, 2 months. The Satyam and Manish all in every day used to travel from his home to office and back from the office to work to the home. Okay, but after a few months, one day, what happened? One day, Satyam's daughter fell ill. So Satyam asked for the leave, for 1 week leave from Manish. Manish granted the leave as the reason was very quite genuine. Then again from the next day, for 1 week, Manish has to travel from his home to office with the help of public transports. Right? Again, he faced that exhaustion and his less focus on the work. After 1 week, Satyam's daughter became well and Satyam returned back to his job. Now again, Manish used to enjoy the services, enjoy the activities, enjoy the driving of Satyam. Okay, so now tell me, with this incident, do you think that now Satyam is one of the integral part of Manish's life? Of course, yes. Now, how he is an integral part? Yes, because without Satyam's help, without Satyam's driving skills, now Manish will not be able to do his work in the office more conveniently and more efficiently, right? So you can see that Manish's work is just in the office, but without Satyam's help, it will be get affected. It will be get affected if the Satyam is not there. Okay, so these activities, okay, the activities which help us to do our work more easily, okay, the activities which help us to do our work, do our to reach our goals more easily, these activities are called what? These activities are called services. Okay, these activities are called like Let me write up the date to this. Studies class 11, right? So you can see these services. You can see that business that these activities help us to do our work more easily, to reach our goal more easily. So how you cannot imagine that businesses also needs these services, these activities to reach their goal, because their prime focus is to reach a goal, to earn their earn profit and do the work more effectively and more efficiently, right? So the services which are used by businesses are called business services, okay, which we will study today. Business services. Now, what are these business services? As I just told, that services help us to reach our goal more easily, more conveniently. In a similar manner, business services are those services which help businesses to do their work, okay, to do their work smoothly, okay. Okay, so what are these services? Like what are the activities? What are the different services which businesses enjoy so that they can produce, they can reach their goal more easily? Okay, so some of the major crucial business services are: number one, transportation; banking; okay, then insurance; warehousing; and communication. Okay, okay. So these are the services, few services which are very crucial for businesses to run very smoothly. Okay, to work very smoothly, these business services do their part, do their very crucial part, so that businesses will are able to produce goods, do their achieve their goals more efficiently. Okay, so now let's understand few, like, very briefly, that how these services are crucial. We will study about them in the latter classes in detail. Okay, so without transportation, as we all know, you cannot imagine that your goods will reach to your customers without transportation services, right? Without transportation, the goods which are produced by any business will not reach to its customers, as this transportation service help them to reach to the market, to different channels, to wholesalers, to retailers, from where the consumers purchase the goods. Okay, again, one more crucial thing, you can relate it with your online shopping. Whenever you order a product, what happens? You can see, you can track that it arrives from different parts of the country, like from Gurgaon, from Bengaluru, from even Kolkata. The goods are dispatched from that area with the help of logistics and slowly reach to you, to your destination, to your home. How is it possible? It is not possible without the transportation service. So to purchase. Without transportation, businesses will not be able to render their products, to deliver their products or render their services properly. Okay. Second one is the banking. Today, banking is an integral part of our daily life, like our personal life as well. UPI, check payment, then recharge. We do all of our DTH of our telephones. These all are not possible now without the banking service. Banks are now providing various kinds of services to us, to our person, to us personally. So to the businesses, as you all know, discounting of bills of exchange, okay, accepting the checks, okay, check payment, then accepting the deposits, NEFT, RTGS. These all are examples which these all are the services of, which banking provides to the businesses. Bank overdraft, right? Auto payment to the suppliers. Okay, so these all are what? These all are services which are provided by bank to the businesses. Okay, so it is very crucial to understand that banking is now just not an institution, just not a financial institution where we just deposit the money and withdraw the money. It is now a very crucial part for a successful business. Without banking service, a business cannot run smoothly because to manage, to pay, to deposit, and for the other financial help, banking provide play a very crucial part. Okay. Third one is the insurance. Now, what does the insurance do? We insure our life through life insurances. LIC is there. Okay. SBI Life is one. Then ICICI Prudence Life Insurance, Bajaj Allianz is there. There are several life insurance companies are there. Even in our motorcycles, okay, in our bike, of our different asset like our even of our smartphones, we insure them so that even if they get damaged due to any reason, we get some of the financial money, some claim from them, right? Same businesses do with the help of insurance. Okay, with the help of these insurance services, what does the business do? Business actually um, insure their assets, their goods, okay, even their manpower, their labor, their employees, they insure them, okay, with the help of insurance services. Because if there is some accident happens because of any reason, there is some mishappenings there, these insurance services will provide them claim, okay, and the businesses will not suffer much loss as they will as it has been incurred. Okay. Now, the warehousing. Warehousing is what we have the godown. Okay. There are various godown. We can produce goods. Okay. We are able to produce goods. We can transport it. We have banking services. But we know that production is done at a very large scale, right? And all the goods will be sold out then and there is not possible. We cannot just assume that all the goods which we have produced on a particular day will be sold out on that day itself. So what the businesses do, they produce the goods and store it. Okay, so they store it and then as per the demand in the market, they slowly supply those products. So for this, they need warehouses. Okay. So warehousing services plays a crucial role in saving and in storing those products, those manufactured new products in a safe manner. Okay. So they do not get spoiled. They do not get spoiled, and businesses are able to store them and earn profit as the market suggest them. Okay. The last one is the communication. Now, communication. Communication, you can just relate it with the telephone services, my smartphone, the internet services, which we use today. You can imagine that how crucial it is for us, for our personal life. So how we, like for businesses also, it is very crucial to communicate with the supplier, to the warehouse keeper, to the bank, okay, everyone, to the even to the customers. These communication service, this media plays very crucial role. Even for advertisement, this communication plays crucial role. Okay, customer care services. These all are possible with the help of communication only. Without the communication services, businesses will not be able to communicate properly with the stakeholders, with the suppliers, with the owner, with the manager, with his internal team, like with the office employees, right? Today in the pandemic, we can see that most of the offices are running to work from home basis. How is it possible? This is because of strong communication network, strong communication service, which the businesses are getting. Without proper communication, the businesses will not be able to coordinate properly and do the work more effectively. Okay, so communication also again plays a very crucial role in providing for the smooth running of the business. Okay, so this is all about business services. Like business, what is business services, and the few of the major crucial business services which will be discussed in a very much detail in the latter classes. Okay. Now, our very next topic is very interesting. Okay. Now, what is our very next topic? It is the nature. Now, how business services are different, how these services are important. Okay, how these business services are different from the business products, goods. Okay, to understand why we are understanding this business services, I have a chart made. Okay, I made a chart. We used to say these business services as the nature of business services as the 5 I's. Okay, 5 I's. Okay, let's see. Just wait a minute. Here we go. This is the, okay, I don't have, here it is it. So these are the 5 I's of business services, or the nature of business services. Why I am telling this? It is the 5 I's. You will know it soon. Okay. So number one is the intangible. Okay, let's start with this one. Intangible. You all have heard this word intangible. What is intangible? Intangible are those things which you cannot touch. You can just feel it, like the air, like the sunlight, right? You cannot touch them. You can just feel their energy, their force. In a similar manner, you cannot touch a service. Like Satyam was driving the car, Manish's car, as we discussed earlier. Now, the driving skills of Satyam, can you touch it? No, not at all. You can touch the car, but you cannot touch the Satyam's driving skills. So, these services are intangible in nature. Okay, you have the mobile phone, you have the smartphone, you can use it, but the internet provider is providing you the signals and the network. Can you touch that network? No, not at all. That's why it is the intangible force. Again, bank. You have the bank as a building, as an institution. Okay, it has 4 pillars. You have the clerk there, you have the manager, bank manager there, but the services they are providing, can you touch it? No, not at all. So, in a similar manner, nature of business services, the number one intangible, you cannot touch a service. Okay, you can just feel its help. Okay, when these services provide you help, you can just feel it. You can just thank them up. Okay, because they have provided you the service. Okay, now the second one, I will we it's here. Okay, can you see these four circles? Are they similar? Okay, are they identical? No, not at all. They are very different, right? In the similar manner, services can also be different. They are not like the products which we purchase, goods. Okay, like the two toothpaste of the same company, if you are purchasing it, they both are identical. They both have same taste. They both have same ingredients, everything, because that's a good, but not in case of services. Okay, we generally compare, you can see the advertisements, they generally compare the services of one communication one network provider with the another one, like the Airtel and Jio, they both compare their services, right? So that's comparison. Why this happened? Because the services provided by the services which are provided, they're not always identical. Of course, the network coverage I am getting by Geo, it's not guaranteed that same network service you will also get with the Geo in your own phone, right? Similar way, I cannot imagine that my friend will get the same network service. Okay, banking services. Let's take the example of banking services. The banking service I am getting when I reach to the bank is not is was very pleasant, but it is not always guaranteed that if you are getting in, or the my friend went to the bank, the same bank, I will get the pleasant service. It's not possible. So inconsistency. The services provided are inconsistent in nature. Okay, the I'm writing out here inconsistency. Okay, now inventory. What you can see here, it's a piggy bank, right? We store our coins, and when it gets full or we need money, we just break it down and grab all those money, right? And use it for our in our by our wealth. But it is not possible again. It is not at all possible in case of services. Why? Because a service cannot be stored. A service cannot be stored. You cannot store Satyam's driving skill. Like for 1 week, if he's not provide if Manish decided not to go via Satyam's car, or Satyam not if the sorry. For example, if one fine day, Manish decides not to let Satyam to go, okay, to drive the car. So what will happen? Satyam's service is there, but Manish is not ready for that service. He is not getting that service. In the same way, in my home, my television is switched off. Like we are not using it since a week. Okay. Now what will happen? Will that service which the television, the network provider is giving us, DTH provider is giving us, will it get stored somewhere? No, not at all. It will not be stored anywhere. It will get lost. So business services cannot be stored. Okay. So the third one is the inventory. Okay. Okay. Then here you can see, I'm placing it little here. Okay. Now you can see here there are two things like the doctor and the his service like injection, providing injection. Okay. So and why these both are here, not one picture, two pictures? Because service is inseparable from a service provider. Service is inseparable from a service provider. You cannot imagine like to get your doctor service without the doctor. You cannot imagine learning a study in the school without the teacher, right? So any service cannot be any service cannot be rendered, cannot be enjoyed without the service provider. You cannot enjoy a network without the network providers, right? So inseparability is there between the service provider and the service. Okay, inseparability. Okay, and the last one here is the customer. You can see the basket in his hand and the product. Okay, so what it is like, without customer a service is cannot be fulfilled. Like there should be the customer who is using that service. Of course you have produced that service, but if there is no one who is using it, then how it is possible? So you can see here the service provider, the customer and the service, these all three are interlinked. Without the service provider, service cannot be provided, and without the customer, service is not fulfilled. Just imagine that Satyam is there, okay, in the car, Manish's car. He switched on he switched on the engine, but Manish is not there. Manish fell ill, okay, or he has to go somewhere for some other work, some domestic work. So, like Satyam is there to fulfill his driving service, but it has not been completed because Manish is not there to enjoy the service, right? So, without the customer, a business service is not fulfilled unless and until you didn't purchase the network service from Geo. The Geo didn't completed his business service, didn't completed his service, providing the service to you. Okay, so customers involvement is very crucial. Okay, so the fifth one is the customers involvement. Okay, I will just write the involvement. Okay, now I am pasting it one by one. Okay, you will be able to see it very properly. Okay, so what does what does it say? Intangible. Where should I place this one? Yes, it's here. Intangible. Okay. Number two, inconsistency. Okay. Number two, you see here the inconsistency, right? Where should I place it? It's here, right? Inconsistency. Number three, inseparability. Okay, you can see here the inseparability. Now, where will it go? Inseparability. It will go down here. Like I will place it upwards. Inseparability. Okay. Now we have involvement. We just studied how the customers are involved. Without the involvement of the customer, a service is not fulfilled. And the last one is the inventory. Okay, you cannot store it. You cannot store a service. This is inventory. Okay, so you can see here how this 5 I's I was telling these 5 I's are the nature of business services. You can just see how the services are separate from the goods. Okay, goods and services are very different thing. You can touch the good, but you cannot touch the service. Okay, customers' involvement is very crucial to complete a service. Without that, you cannot count it as a service. But in case of goods, once you have produced it, you are able to count it as a good. Inconsistency. Goods are produced identical in nature. Okay. Companies produces goods very identically with the help of same ingredients in the same amount and in the similar manner, but not the services. Services are quite different. Every time the service is performed, it is different. Like Satyam could have rendered a much more good driving skill before, but later maybe not. Or maybe before he was quite immature and wasn't able to drive properly, but now he is experienced and providing a more good driving skills. Okay, so inconsistency is there. Inventory. You cannot store a service. Okay, if you are not, if you are absent in a school, my teaching skills are there. I have provided. I am here to provide you the service, but you didn't got it, right? So that service is lost now. You will not get that one. Okay. Even if you try much harder, you will not get that service. The last one is inseparability. Inseparability is what? The service provider and the service are inseparable in nature. They are like bounded together. Okay. Without the service provider, you cannot imagine the service. Without Satyam, you cannot imagine his driving skills. Okay. So these are the nature of business services. Okay. You can see one is inconsistency, I involvement, intangible, inseparability, and inventory. That's why it is called the 5 I's. Okay. So what we studied today, we studied about the business services. What are business services? We studied like business services are those services which help businesses to run, to do their work more smoothly, to reach their goal more conveniently. Second, what we studied, we just briefly understood the few major business services, right? Those were transportation, banking, okay, insurance, warehousing, and communication. And then we understood about the nature of business services, the 5 I's of business services. Okay. So these are the things we studied today. Okay. Okay. Today's homework is to draw a similar flow chart. Like I have created one flow chart today, right now in front of you, about the nature of business services. You have to draw the similar flow chart in your notebook. Okay. Very properly, neatly, and color it if you need, if you want to. Okay. So that's all in our today's class. Okay. I hope you understood the topic very properly. If you feel any doubt, you can just message me. Okay. Thank you very much.